to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican in Switzerland. And today I have a delicious homemade tomato sauce for your pasta. It's really good, like finger looking good. So, and the nice part is most of these ingredients are from our garden. So you guys can come with me to the garden and you can see when I pick the stuff out. It's really good, it's really easy, and I hope you enjoy making it with me. The ingredients we need to make our tomato sauce are 1 kilo 700 grams of tomatoes. These are going to be cooked and skinned and chopped up into cubes. 20 grams of basil, also chopped up. 5 grams of oregano. 2 large carrots grated. 1 large onion chopped up finely. 6 sun-dried tomatoes, also chopped up finely. 2 garlic cloves minced. 1 cup of red cooking wine. Half a cup of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so let me quickly explain what I did with the tomatoes. We have to cook these tomatoes and peel them. So what do? You put a pot of water to boil and you grab your whole tomatoes and you cut across at the bottom of the tomato and you put them in the boiling water for 1 minute. Once they've boiled for a minute, you take them out with a slotted spoon and you transfer them to another bowl that has ice cold water. I put some water and some ice cubes and you leave it in there for 10 or 15 seconds. You take it out and the skin will come off really easily. After that, I just chop them up. Okay, so let's get started. Step number 1 will be to grab a cooking pan and we're gonna add our olive oil and heat it up. Once it's hot, we're gonna add our onions and we're gonna clarify them. After they've been clarified, you add your garlic and your sun-dried tomatoes and you stir it for about 2 minutes. After that, we're gonna add our red wine and we're gonna let it cook approximately 5 minutes or until the wine has evaporated.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color.
Okay, so step number 2, the wine evaporated already, so we're going to add our tomatoes, our fresh tomatoes. We're going to stir it, and then we're going to add the carrots, the basil, the oregano, the salt, and the sugar. And here's the fun part. You guys are going to let it simmer for 2 hours. Yep, you heard correctly. It's 2 hours. Why? The more you let it simmer, the more fragrant your sauce gets, the yummier. It's really worth it. If you're in a rush, you can maybe give it an hour, but I don't recommend it. I say go for the 2 hours. Do it in a time that you know you have the 2 hours to spare to watch over your sauce, and you won't regret it.
Non più avrai quell'aria brillante, non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
Okay, so our sauce is ready. Let's see if I can get you guys to see the image. It's really yummy. I know you guys are gonna love it. And like I said earlier, these tomatoes and some of these ingredients are from our garden. I know not everyone has a garden, but you don't need a garden to have your own harvest and things. You can do it in a balcony, in a patio, in your garage. You just have to be creative. You need pots, you need seeds, and you can do miracles. And the nice thing about this is if you have your own harvest, a plant will give you tons of tomatoes. I'm not kidding, it really gives you tons. So you can make sauces, you can jar them, and like that you have out of season fresh grown tomatoes, which you know are bio with no pesticides or chemicals which harm you and harm Mother Nature, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed making the recipe with me, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to jar this so that you can have your sauces all year round. See you! Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.